What is the equation for the tangent line to the curve x squared plus y squared, a circle, equals 25 at the point -3, 4? All right, well, first off, equation of the tangent line requires slope of the tangent line, which is the derivative. So let's do that first. Let's find the slope of the tangent line by taking the derivative. Now, the only way that you could take the derivative of this guy, or the easiest way that you could take the derivative of this guy, is by doing our good old friend implicit differentiation. So I'm going to ddx both sides. I'm going to take the derivative of both sides with respect to x, like that. Okay, so the derivative of x squared with respect to x is 2x, easy peasy. The derivative of y squared with respect to x is 2y, but don't forget to attach your dy dx. That's going to equal the derivative of a number, which is nothing. Now I have to get my slope all by itself. Dy dx means slope. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides, subtract 2x from both sides. That gives me 2y dy dx equals -2x. Divide both sides by 2y, divide both sides by 2y, and that gives you dy dx equals negative, 2 over 2 crosses out, negative x over y. Now, this is my derivative of the slope with respect to x and y. I can now say you were an x and you were a y. Let's plug those points in. So my slope is going to be negative 3 over positive 4. So 3 over 4. So what I have is a slope of 3 over 4. If I labeled you x sub 1, y sub 1, I can now think point slope thoughts. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. Okay. Plug in 4, so y minus 4 equals 3/4 x minus x sub 1, which is -3. So minus -3 is going to be +3, so let's save a little bit of time. Okay. So in order to find the slope of the tangent line, we had to take the derivative using implicit differentiation. I took my point, plugged it in, got 3 over 4. And when I got 3 over 4, I used the same point and point slope form to come up with an equation. Now, if for some reason you needed to do this and turn it into slope-intercept form, then distribute. You're going to get fractions. Add 4 to both sides. You're going to still get fractions. That's an option, but I'm sticking with this because that's good enough for me.